So now this block right here looks like a sharpening stone, but it actually changes the grit of this stone right here. You got a smooth side and a rough side. I think it changes it from 220 up to 1,000 grit. I'd have to look into it a little bit more, but it's pretty cool how it works. I even include an edge marker. I've kind of talked about this before, but if you take a Sharpie and mark across that whole edge, and then you start sharpening, it removes the part of the Sharpie that's touching the stone, so that way you can tell if you're too high or too low. This is a lot bigger than it looked. See that? It raises it. It's touching. Clever. See how wet that stone is? Dang, it sucks it in fast. Yeah, so basically you just keep it running until the stone stops absorbing water. I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. Now with this, we're gonna set this one to the 250, because that's what this wheel is. And then this one is gonna go on the knife. I went the wrong way. Okay, so here's the side I'm working on. This is what I was dealing with. You probably can't tell a difference right now. I can't really see. Let's touch up on the other side. Okay, there we go. That should be good. TikTok, this is knife sharpness testing paper. It's a specific type of paper meant for pocket knives. So I mean, like, that's just a test, nothing dangerous. And it goes smoothly through. Now let's see what the scale tells us. Let me go a little slower. Let me go slower. 90. That was slow too. The edge on this thing, it is steep. Do one more, and I'll try to go even slower. 95. No, that's 65, right? It's upside down for me. First test out of the box and everything. Probably did a few things wrong, and there's probably better ways to do certain things I did. But I mean, pulling it out and getting a 65, and I don't think I messed anything up. Pat myself on the back, because that has to be good. But I mean, my first thoughts and impression on this is it's absolutely worth the money. It's super fast, it works really good, and it's awesome. Tormek T8. But we're gonna do way more videos than just this. Thanks for watching.